Welcome to my review of Plain Green Loans. If you're considering using this platform to build or improve your credit score, this video will give you an in-depth look at how it works. Plain Green Loans is a fast and reliable service offering credit builder loans that can help you boost your credit over time. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy for those with less than perfect credit to get started on their credit building journey. When you first visit the Plain Green Loans website, you'll notice it's designed to be simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a financial expert to navigate through it. The homepage gives you a clear idea of the services offered, and the loan application process is straightforward. Plain Green specializes in providing short-term loans with relatively flexible requirements, making it an attractive option for people looking to improve their credit score quickly. One of the main features of Plain Green Loans is the quick loan approval process. You can fill out the application online in minutes, and the platform often provides fast responses. It's important to note that the loan terms may vary depending on your credit history and the amount you're looking to borrow. While interest rates are somewhat higher compared to traditional lenders, Plain Green Loans can still be a good option for people who need funds fast and are willing to pay a bit more for the convenience. The loan approval process is designed to be simple, but it's important to carefully read through all the terms before agreeing. You'll be informed about the loan's fees, repayment schedule, and how it impacts your credit score. Paying on time can help improve your credit, but missing payments could negatively affect your score. It's crucial to stay on top of your payments and manage your loan responsibly. Plain Green Loans is a reliable choice for people who need fast, accessible credit and are looking to improve their credit score. The platform's transparency and ease of use make it a standout in the credit building space. However, as with any loan, it's important to understand the costs involved and ensure you can meet the repayment terms. If you're thinking about using Plain Green Loans to help improve your credit, I recommend checking out the website and carefully considering the loan options. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.